YouTube, welcome to our Christmas vlog number 3. Today we're going to be making Christmas cookies. First, let me just remind you, if you have not yet subscribed to our channel, please do that. Push that subscription button, push the notification bell as well. So subscribe and hit the bell, okay? So, without wasting any more time, we're gonna get right into making our Christmas cookies. I have Drew and Mike with me.
Yeah.
They're gonna be making, what type of cookies are you making?
Snickerdoodles.
They're gonna be making snickerdoodle Christmas cookies.
We've never had them before.
Michael actually likes to cook, right? He does a decent job. So they're going to be making snickerdoodle Christmas cookies. We had to pick these specific cookies or this specific cookie mix because Michael has allergies to eggs and all nuts. So we had to find a mixture that didn't have those things in it. Now the cookie mix itself calls for eggs, and so what we do is we use an egg replacer. So if any of you out there have an allergy to eggs, you can find this like in Publix, Kroger. That's where we get it. I'm not sure if you can find it in Walmart, but it works very good. Of course, there are other things you can do as well to replace egg, like using applesauce and apricots and stuff like that. But those things can add flavor to your food that you don't want, and so we use the egg replacer. Now I'm making my own special batch of cookies because I am trying to lose weight. So I'm on a low carb diet and I'm gonna make some low carb shortbread cookies. So my ingredients calls for almond flour. Again, this particular brand, I like this brand because of the consistency. It works well for baking, and I find this in Walmart. I'll be using butter and sugar replacement, Splenda. I like Splenda, but you can use any sugar replacement that you want. So, after we're through baking our cookies, these two jokers will have a cookie decorating competition. So,
Which will be me winning, so you can expect that.
I'm gonna decorate my cookies as well.
Are you in the competition?
Well, not really, because
Oh yeah.
I don't want to add any sugar, but I'll still decorate one so I can show my skills of decorating. I could be in a challenge with them. But
No.
my cookies will be awesome. So, here we go.
So this cookie mix calls for eggs, a teaspoon of water, and butter. So we have our butter here. Here's the actual mix, and here's my egg replacer. So you also need the sugar cinnamon for the actual snickerdoodle. So we've never had these before, but let's get started making them. We also have icing for decoration and sprinkles. Alright.
So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to crack my eggs into my mixing bowl. My cookies are extremely simple. Once I whisk up my eggs, then all I have to do is dump all of the other ingredients into the mixing bowl. I do not mix by hand. I actually have a handy dandy KitchenAid mixer. Okay, so you can mix by hand if you want to. You can use a hand mixer, but I use the KitchenAid. So here we go. 2 eggs. So I'm just getting all the batter off of the whisk.
So we've already done like half of ours.
Smells like popcorn.
So this is the butter and the and water. Now we're just making my egg replacer. So it calls for 1.5 teaspoons of the replacer and 2 tablespoons of water. So,
and that equals 1 egg.
I'm using 1/2 teaspoon, so I might have to do 3. There we go. Okay. Now we just gotta get the 2 teaspoons of water.
The next step for my cookie is I have to get this into about an 8-inch log. Once we've done that, we're then gonna put the cookie dough in the refrigerator to set. You can put it in the freezer to set for an hour, or in the refrigerator to set for 4 hours. But I'm gonna let mine set for an hour once I've rolled this into about an 8-inch log, okay?
Okay. Now we have this. All you have to do is mix it together, make sure there's no chunks. Also make sure that it's warm water. Make sure there's no chunks of the powder.
I think that's about 8 inches.
Let me see.
I'm gonna roll it up.
This is Michael's egg replacer, and we're gonna pour it in. And this is my first time I'm going to eat egg replacer, so I have no idea what it tastes like. So, yeah.
So, here's my log. Perfect log, twisted on the ends. And my cookie dough is ready to go into the freezer. So basically it looks like Pillsbury Boy. A Pillsbury Boy log like you would buy from the refrigerator. Alright, so I'm gonna stick it in the freezer.
So guys, your next step is to get a tablespoon of dough. And then put it in your hand. I guess you're gonna have to scoop it out then. And then you roll it in your hand till it gets into a ball-like shape,
Like this.
and then
It was like popcorn.
you roll it around
This is your cookies.
in the cinnamon. So you just keep going till you
So these are Michael's cookies and Andrew's cookies are on the other side. Looking pretty good there, Android. By the way, Andrew has eaten egg replacer many, many times. He just does not know. That's to tell you the food tastes just as good. You wouldn't know the difference when you use egg replacer. So how many cookies you guys making?
6 each.
Hey guys, I've been thinking Mario and Sonic versus Eggman and Bowser. Who do you think will win? The good guys or the bad guys? I think the good guys, because Mario has a golden cape and a hammer, and Sonic can do a spin dash, turn to Super Sonic. So. These are gonna taste so good.
Yes! Giant cookies!
And Daddy,
This is a cookie for Barbie.
I'm not a Barbie.
It's the smallest cookie. I've ever seen.
Look at this. Okay, time to put them in the oven. Egg will be fond of my skin.
It's baking time. They just put their cookies in the oven. Mine haven't gone into the oven as yet, but they will.
How's that supposed to be?
Bacon time. Bacon time.
Bacon time.
Bacon time.
Bake.
So guys, we're gonna leave our cookies in the oven for 10 minutes. Alexa, 10-minute timer. Alright guys, the cookies are done. Whose cookies look better, mine or Andrew's?
Mine.
Alright guys, so see you back when they're cool.
My cookies look brown and white. But this one looks like very delicious. These two. These look all edible.
I think mine flattened out well.
And why does
I
yours
like
still have
the
white
shape
sugar?
of
Mine
this
is
one,
brown.
and I like the color. I can see the ones that I made smaller turned out browner than the other ones, but yeah, I really like this one, and that one. I think I could decorate those 3 and leave those 4 alone.
His cinnamon stayed white, but mine's like dark.
Okay, so now my cookie dough it's ready. It's been in the freezer for about an hour. I'm going to unwrap it. And I'm gonna cut it into 24 cookies. Or at least I'm gonna try to. I kind of pre-marked them already. You gotta move quickly so that it doesn't lose its form here. So I have my little butter cookies. I just want to shape them up some. We're gonna spread them out on the parchment paper. You're gonna set your oven at 375. Serving size would be 2 of these, okay? And why would you need more, right? You just need to satisfy that sweet tooth. So I'm gonna get these in the oven. So into the oven we go. 10 minutes. These smell awesome. All right, now it's time for decorating to see who decorates the best cookie. So we're gonna go ahead and decorate. I'm gonna decorate one as well, but I'm not gonna taste the decorated one. We're gonna have Daddy Drew taste the decorated one that I'm doing. If you see my cookies, they look like little round vanilla wafers, and they smell awesome. Awesome. I can't wait to taste it and let him taste it as well. All right, so here we go with decorating.
Looks like Andrew's doing a smiley face.
I'm doing myself. No, I'm making Santa Claus.
All right, there are the
Don't
cookies.
eat all of it, okay, Daddy?
My cookie has red icing around the edges with a white X in the middle covered with red sugar, and then little donut fillings in the middle with confetti sprinkles. And of course the boys kind of followed me when they saw mine look awesome, but that's my cookie.
Mine was gonna be Santa Claus, but it turned out bad. So I was gonna do like a regular cookie, you know?
I did the target sign and failed.
Target sign?
Yes.
Okay, all right. Now it's time for tasting. So, I'm gonna taste mine without the icing.
My
It
turn.
tastes good. Andrew, wait, taste mommy's before you taste yours. How does it taste? Tell y'all, low carb cookie.
Let me taste mine.
0.5 of a carb, people. Now, Buddy's gonna taste the decorated one, okay?
Mine tastes good. Is the mic on, Dad?
All right. The most famous cookie of all, like Rudolph, will be tasted by the food tester.
The food king.
No, I gotta put some magic in it. Bless it.
Yum yum. How is that, sir? How is that?
Please don't just give her a good review because she's
Moist.
your wife.
Bright,
Buttery.
buttery, lemony. It's melting in my mouth.
Awesome.
How many days?
Get back on my cookie.
So guys, we had fun doing this.
And
Taste mine, taste mine.
Gone. I'm gonna put the ingredients for the low carb cookies in down below. So watch this video, enjoy it. Again, look at Michael and Andrew's cookies. We're gonna say Drew Nation what?
Ow.
Ow!